Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change WhatsApp profile picture. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. This is easy and quick to do, so let's begin right away. Open up WhatsApp, then tap on settings. From here, tap on your name at the top of the page. Beside your existing profile image, tap on the edit button. And here you can choose either use avatar, take photo, choose photo, or delete photo. I'm gonna choose photo. Once you've selected the photo, you can crop it to your liking. After that, you can tap choose button when you're done on the lower right corner. Your profile image will now be updated. And that draws an end to this tutorial. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.